Bored and money hungry? Consider gold trading. Grasping the market is key as gold prices fluctuate with varying demand. Next, choose your trading platform wisely. Factor in its dependability, regulatory compliance, and ease of use for users. Decide on your trading strategy. Look at like buying physical gold or trading gold derivatives like futures contracts and options. Following this, turn your attention towards analyzing the gold market. Closely observe and scrutinize the subtle yet far-reaching price movements. Immerse yourself in understanding the correlation between these movements and their economic impacts. Comprehend how each minor fluctuation can signal major financial shifts. Now place your use orders as per strategy. Manage risk with stop loss and take profit. Only invest you can afford to lose. In summary, trading gold involves understanding the market. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll soon be trading gold like a pro. As we wrap up, South Africa is significant in the global gold market. Appreciate its vibrant flag and its golden contribution to our trade. And that's it. Start your gold trading journey today. Be like successful traders worldwide. So what are you waiting for? Just do it. As the scene unfolds, take a look at these satisfied people, all trading gold. Their happiness is infectious, their satisfaction palpable, they're enjoying life beyond trading. So, trade gold, smile, and enjoy the journey that awaits you.